What is your name?
Anna.
What's your name?
Rushikesh.
Rushikesh? Rushi name?
No.
Kesh? Family maybe?
No. My name Rushikesh. My family name, surname, Chaudhary.
Oh, Rushikesh. Surname? Chaudhary? Chaudhary.
Ati Chaudhary.
He's, короче, булаз ырда берет. One song. Can you
Speak. Sing.
speak? Yeah, sing.
कोणतं म्हणावं यार मला गाणं
Ageya, I know.
मेरे वतन.
Ageya, I know. Jimmy also.
Jimmy. आजा.
Yeah, Jimmy. Nerede koştarsan? Bu birinci kursda okuydu gel.
Zaman Balay.
Birinci kursda okuydu. Anan keyin
Zaman.
Kırgız kız alam deydi. Tiyebi maga deydi kana söylesem. You want Kırgız wife?
He shy.
No.
Darpol, I want Indian wife. Say. I want Indian wife because
Hindi?
our religion.
On the Hindi?
Yeah, Hindi.
Only?
Because my religion is Hindu.
Yeah. Okay. Ben bu nimere bayağı dinim Hindu olduğun için Müslümanlar tibeydi. Hazır one song. Okay.
Atatürk.
Can you? Atatürk? Okay. Yeah, only Hindu.
Mana? Vande Mataram. Shubhada Jaya Shikadari Sasashamayam Mataram Vande Mataram Shubrajosna Pulakitayamini Ullakusumita Dhumadaya Shoyari Suasini Sumadurabasi Sukalam Varada Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Translate. Mama maybe? Many.
This song is my national song. Yes.
Very good. Kırgızca, you know? Kırgız song? Sasa maybe? Bişkekim, borborum batıra qoңdo şu joldaroңdo, you know? Ыр болsa жақсы да. Бұл улуттарды ыр менен, маданият менен, анан спорт менен де бириктирип эткенбиз да. Okay, very good.
All Indians are respect all religion. Maybe this by mistake all people thinking so Hindu is not good and so all Hindus is good in India and all Hindus respect all religions. All world Muslim and all world Christian people and other religions people. All Hindu people thinking is very good.
Maybe 30% Muslim.
Just
India.
Only. No.
50?
India, 30-35%
Yes?
Muslim.
Oh.
And all Muslim.
Yeah, all
masjid.
Muslim. Namaz?
Yeah.
Maybe no good.
No.
Every
Time good.
5 times.
You know Aurangzeb, Babur. Babur. You know Babur.
Yeah.
Babur.
I know.
This historical people, Babur, is coming in India in the Mughal Sultanate.
Babur Hindu maybe?
No, it's Muslim
Muslim.
and Uzbekian.
Uzbek?
Yeah.
Uzbek.
In maybe 1345,
Yeah, here.
Babur is come in India. And
Babur da India'dan gelgendi.
yeah,
Yeah, Uzbek also Hindu maybe? India. Muslim.
India 30-35% people Muslim and
Case, Uzbek,
Uzbek.
Uzbek, India, maybe so.